Whoa. What happened to Hiccup?
Who cares?
Hey, Bucket. Why am I so... like that?
Why is the sky blue? Why do I have a bucket on my head? We'll never know the answers.
Oh, you did a brilliant job, Bucket. Don't you think so, son?
But it's not me.
Sure it is. It's you, but... you know, bigger, stronger.
Now that's the son of a chief.
You see what I mean?
Unbelievable. My father likes that painting better than the real me. I mean, think about it. Even my name. You know it's Viking tradition to call the runt of the litter a Hiccup.
Come on, little Hiccup. Oh, hey, Hiccup.
See? What do I have to do to get my father to accept me?
He does accept you. He just accepts the painting more.
What are you doing out here?
Nothing? Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
Okay, where are they?
Who? Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo!
Ugh.
Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo!
What are you doing?
I've got the map. We're finding that treasure. And you are a horrible lookout.
You heard what Gobber said. The bravest warriors in history have died trying to find that treasure.
Yeah, and I'm next.
Well, I personally would like to live to see my next birthday.
We'll be legends. They'll sing songs about us.
You'll be dead. Come on, guys. Not even Stoic could find it.
You're right. He couldn't. Give me that map.
Finally, someone is making sense.
All right. Where do we start?
Are you serious?
Well, think about it, Astrid. My father couldn't find that treasure. What would he say if I did something that even Stoic the Vast couldn't do? How great would that be?
You're gonna go after this no matter what I say, right? So yeah, pretty great.
So, you're not gonna give me a hard time about this?
Oh, I'll give you a hard time. Every step of the way. Besides, I can't let you go with just them.
Harder. I said I want to see stars.
It looks like the map leads you to these spots.
And the riddles are clues to what we're supposed to find. Blah, blah, blah. Where's the treasure? Clue number 1. Where the land meets the sea, in the crook of the master's knee, that's where your search will be. Gin.
That doesn't sound so brilliant.
Okay, think.